Okay, so what we've got here is a kite circuit sword board, and I've got some banding on my LCD, and if we look closely at the flat panel connector here, you can see a solder bridge there and there. So those need to be cleared. I will do so now. I'm just going to heat up the good old Heiko, and I'm going to grab the trusty flux. Tiniest little juice of flux, just to let it, do its thing. I'm going to make sure I clean that with alcohol before we put it back together. Alcohol ready. Alright, so literally all we should need to do is just give this thing the slightest touch, and it should just clear up with all that flux on there. It's looking better to me. Alright, I'm just going to double check that under my hand microscope, but that should be all we need to fix the problem. And the proper cleanup procedure is going to require some post-inspection. If you're going to do this stuff at all, you should really be doing it with the right materials, the right products, make sure it's done right. Otherwise, you're just going to struggle, and it's going to be harder than it needs to be to accomplish these kinds of tasks.